today, sir?
Good man, good. All's well.
How does it feel to be here volunteering at the JAHJAH Foundation, sir?
It's very fulfilling.
Yeah?
Very
To
fulfilling.
give back?
Yeah man, very good to give back.
Well, thank you for your time, okay?
Not a problem.
This is like a second row of that.
No, not yet. So we have these though.
So you want me to just put here?
Yeah.
Star is ready.
Good morning, Garvin.
Good morning. Star is ready to shine bright.
Oh, yeah.
No, we're not going to make sure, but we can't send them all over the place.
We have a long line of patients to see. We've been waiting here for hours, and we're going to take good care of them. We're going to get to everybody today.
Okay. That's your guarantee?
That's guaranteed.
The people of Little London?
Absolutely. We're going to take good care of them.
Don't lose your number.